this cute little bookcase, and I just like the wood on that. I think that will sand back nicely for a raw wood top and then paint the base of it. It's got these cute little brackets here, of which this one is a little bit broken, so I'm just going to have to fix that, paint it up, and it will look cute as a button. Okay, so the top of this little bookshelf that I've bought, I'm thinking that it may be some kind of a shellac finish. It's very old, so I'm going to try and just remove it with some methylated spirits and dip the 4O steel wool in that and scrub. See how we go. So just gently scrub the surface. I will sand it back if this doesn't work, so it's always a good way of testing it out. If the surface becomes just slightly sticky, you'll be able to tell if it's a shellac finish, and if that steel wool and methylated spirits will work, then that will actually make the surface look really nice. And at the same time, the steel wool is giving it a bit of a sanding as well, so to speak. And actually I can start to feel that. I'm not sure if you can see the gunkiness cooling right here at this end. I'll see if I can drag that down, but I can feel that it is a little bit tacky, and so it does seem to be removing that from the surface. So this will only work on those really old pieces. Yeah, so if I point the video camera down here, you can see the separation happening right here. That's the reactivation of the shellac varnish finish. This will actually become really nice. So see, we've got all this kind of roughly stained wood. It's looking really old. And there's one slight stain here that may rub out, but this could actually make the surface look really nice. I'll wipe that off with some methylated spirits and show you the difference. Okay, so just getting that on a cloth now and wiping that back. Wiping all the gunk off it. Okay, so if I was to use French polish, which is shellac based, and it's really shellac flakes mixed with methylated spirits, that's how it's made, so that would create a really lovely finish on here. And I'll just wait for that to dry, but that is bringing that surface back to a really lovely finish compared to that horrible dry surface. It's a way of, if you do have some very old shellac pieces of furniture, how you can actually make it look nice again. So I'll wait for that to dry and you'll see the difference. Okay, so that's dried now, so check this out, how this is the before, and all the finish is scratched up, uneven, even has some water marking on there. Now I've just gone over it with a bit of methylated spirits, which has reactivated the natural old shellac finish. It's cleaned it up a little bit, it's dry. You can see right here there's a little gunky mark where the shellac has kind of accumulated. So because I sort of divided it, I wanted to see that before and after image. So yeah, that's looking really nice. So that makes me think, I wonder if I can just do the same to this entire bookshelf. It's got these lovely sides on it, a bit of aging. I'll have a look and see what it looks like, and that might just be nice as an old bookshelf. I fixed this little corner here, and yeah, you can't see it because of the light there, but the shelving's not too bad. It's very dirty and dusty. I haven't gone in and cleaned that yet, but I'll do that, get all the cobwebs off it. But I just couldn't wait to get stuck into this. I find that very satisfying.